Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities available for mechanical engineer and electrical engineer. So the name of the company is Jindal Aluminum Limited. They are recruiting fresher trainee. Those who are having less than 1 year experience or freshers can apply for this job. The salary which they enclose is 2.75 to 3.5 lakh per annum. Job location is Bangalore. And if you want to apply, you can click on the icon register to apply. If you are already registered in naukri.com, you can directly log in to apply and you can fill the details. Before filling the details, let us see what are the job description and responsibilities which they expect from us. This Jindal Aluminum is now hiring candidates who are fresher and having less than 1 year experience. The main thing is you have to enroll the role of a trainee at various streams. So talent will be evaluated based on your performance and educational background and your technical knowledge on the following things like diploma engineer trainee, graduate engineer trainee, graduate trainee and management trainee. So those candidates appointed as trainee in various departments like development, logistics, marketing, mechanical maintenance, electrical maintenance, packaging, press quality assurance, shipping, etc. After completion of the training period, the individual will be observed in regular or permanent role of Jindal Aluminum subject to his or her performance. So what they expect, that is you have to have such a profile, like you should have recent passed out with good academic score in which stream you passed out, like engineering, commerce, MBA or any graduation with a minimum of 70% mark starting from 10th onwards till the highest education. So those who haven't cleared the graduation or PG or have any arrears means kindly don't apply for this job, and candidates will be offered salary as per the company standard, and besides that they also provide free boarding, lodging facility will be provided on shared basis inside the company itself. It's mainly dealing with engineering and construction. So functional area will be production, manufacturing and engineering. It's a full-time job. And what are the key skills, like you have to like maintenance, mechanical maintenance, electrical maintenance, shipping, tool room, quality assurance, etc. So if you want to know further details, just click on the icon showed contact details. So here in left hand side you can see Karthik Murali VM. He is a manager corporate HR at Jindal Aluminum. Regarding the company, this company is 50-year-old company with an annual turnover of 3,500 crores. They are the largest manufacturer of aluminum extrusion in the country and almost having more than 10,000 varieties of section being extruded. So the company has been set up as a modern and advanced technology in rolling building plant. So if you want to know further details, just kindly go to the official website, and they have given the company address also. It's Bangalore, Karnataka. So kindly make a note of it. Those who are interested and want to apply just click on the icon login to apply, fill your details, and they will be calling for your interview through either online or offline. Everything will be intimated through mail. This video would be useful for mechanical and electrical engineers, so kindly share the video to mechanical and electrical engineers, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. We will be bringing all the job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.